Hello my friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new open collab called hashtag 2023 Holiday Crafting. So this is an open collab hosted by Maria of Maria's Miscellany and myself. And Maria had done this video or this collab last year where she did Christmas crafting on the 25th of each month. So I joined her this year, and we are turning it into holiday crafting so that you can do any holiday that you want on the particular days that we're going to do the collab. So it's going to be the last Wednesday of every month, including this month, January. And I'm going to show you what I did. And so the prompts will be in my description box. So look in my description box for the prompts for February and so forth for the whole year. And so if you would like to join in and participate, I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I think you'll enjoy the crafts, the prompts that we will have for each month, because it will give you something to use. You can do Halloween, you can do Easter, you can do Thanksgiving, you can do Christmas, whatever you want. So to participate, you just post a video, like I said, on the last Wednesday of each month. Link Maria and I's channels in your description box by using the @ and subscribe to both of our channels. So, and be sure to use the hashtag in your title so that we can find you, or other people can find you when they're searching and want to get ideas for holiday crafting. So the thought behind what I did this month was that I wanted to do this in December and I ran out of time. So when Maria and I cooked up this little open collab, I thought, okay, awesome, I get to finally do that craft I wanted to do in December. And also, I mean, you can do Christmas every month or switch back and forth between Christmas, Halloween, or whatever. Like I said, Easter, whatever you want. July 4th, any of the holidays. But yeah, I wanted to do Christmas, and I wanted to do a lot more Christmas crafting. I just ran out of time. But this is one thing I really had planned on doing and just never, got around to it. I have this felt. It was red, green, and white, as you can see here, from another project that I did like 3 or 4 years ago. And when I reorganized my craft room, I put it into my Christmas stash in order to do this, what I wanted to do in December. So I went ahead and did it for this month, for this prompt, which is this month is embellishments. So I cut my pieces into circles. So let me show you. I used 2 things to cut my circles. So my base circle, this is an example of my base, the green there. I wanted them to all be that size. And then I wanted the next circle to pretty much be the red one there, to pretty much be that size, this middle red size. And then I wanted the other, whatever I had left, I could cut the little piece in the middle there, or on top. So I used the bottom of this jelly jar right here, and I drew a circle with a black marker, Sharpie, around my whole piece of felt, however many pieces I wanted. And then I was going to look for something, and I just realized I had circles on my plenty of circles here on my craft table that I was working with. So I used the bottom of my art glitter glue for the next size up. And then I just cut freehand all of the rest of the pieces. I just kind of used the scraps after cutting those out. I used the scraps and cut, smaller circles out like this. Here's all the white ones. And then if you can, let me show you right here. Here's all the green ones I have, like the smaller circles for the green ones. And I used my pink and shears because I thought it was, I just liked the look of that. I thought I would add more to it. But you don't have to use pinking shears. You can use whatever edging scissors if they'll go through your felt, or just a straight, cut scissors. First of all, I made 3. These are the first 3 I made. Put my little pieces together, and I kind of messy stitched around them. If you can see, this one I did a little bit of zigzag. I wanted to see what that looked like right here. And then these I just did straight stitch you know, twirling my little pieces around under my sewing machine to kind of just do a swirly little messy stitching around those. And I thought those were really fun. I would like to make some more of those. And then the next bunch I did was these right here. So these I just put my pieces together like this and put a little button on top because I was running out of the little red. I didn't have a lot of red felt. I just had mostly green and white and a little bit of red. So I did what I could with the red and then ran out. So I thought, well, let me put a button there. So I put a pretty red button. And these are the buttons I got from the cross stitch company that I did a little video for a couple weeks ago. But then in through the top here, I put a little embroidery floss, VIPcrossstitch.com. I got the buttons and this thread here, embroidery floss or thread, and so I put a little piece through the bottom, and then tied it on the top. And I like doing that. It makes for a real flat bottom and your knots on the top, and I think it looks really cute. And then you can have a flat bottom that you can glue down. So I stapled the bottom two pieces together with a tiny stapler and you know, tiny attacher, and then put my button on top of those. So I made a few like that. There's a few here, this one and this one. And then I have a stack here they still have to do. So I have all of these. See, I have the little piece in the middle. So I have all these ready to sew or whatever I want to do. But like these that have the little piece, I'm probably going to either do the messy stitching or just sew them together. So if you don't want to do a button or the messy stitching, the third thing I did was this one right here. I have 3 pieces there, as you can see, green, red, and white. And then I took a piece of green embroidery floss or thread, and I just sewed it through the bottom and made my ends come out the top and tied like a double knot there on top. Got some glue on my finger. But yeah, so that's another option to do that and make your little embellishment. So a lot of fun. I got to use up all of my, I had the felt in a bin in my closet, you know, with my Christmas stuff. I took it out and I made a little space there. So don't plan on putting these back in there totally. So I'm hoping to have a little space to put the new things I bought on clearance after Christmas in that bin, because right now they're not in there. So anyway, a lot of fun, and I feel like these are not too bulky to put on a pocket in a journal or, you know, use as a little decoration on a page or something. I think they'll really be cute. So yeah, I got the 2 different sizes. This one is about, let me tell you actually how this ended up. Where's my ruler here? Let me grab it real quick. The larger one it's about 2 1/4 inches across. So let's see if it actually goes maybe more closer to 2.5 actually. And then the smaller one here is only about 1.5 inches wide. So yeah, and these were most of these are pretty quick. The sewing does take, if you do the messy stitching, it takes a little. These take a few minutes each to do, so these do take a little longer. But I think they're super cute and a lot of fun, and I think they'll be fun to use in my journal. So that is my you know, what I did for this month for January for embellishments, the embellishments prompt. If you're seeing this on the day, you know, I know we're just announcing it, but you can do a quick video if you want today and do some embellishments. You can always catch up next month, or you can just go ahead and do it, you know, tomorrow, like the next day, Saturday or Sunday, and just kind of, you know, do a little catch up this month. And then next month, I'll try to do a reminder on the community board that February is coming up. I'll, you know, remind you of the prompt and, you know, the date, and don't forget to do your video. And I hope you play along with at home. You know, you can always do this at home, even if you're not participating on YouTube. You can craft with us. You know, that's the fun part, and also get lots of ideas. So thank you for watching today. I hope you will enjoy joining us in this collab. Don't forget to check out Maria's channel. I can't wait to pop over there myself and see what she does. So she's always got some great ideas, and she really thinks outside the box and is very creative. So pop over there and subscribe to her if you're not. And also, if you're new to YouTube or new to us, Maria and I's channels, when we see that we're not subscribed to someone, if you participate in one of our collabs, if we notice we're not subscribed, we do go ahead and subscribe to you. So we like to help everyone in that way. So thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed my little embellishments, and I can't wait now to put them away and use them in my Christmas crafts next, or at the end of this year. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and happy crafting.